Does home window film actually work? Yes, if direct sun through the glass is making your room hot. If your window, floor, or wall gets hot in the afternoon, heat control film can help. It reduces some solar heat, glare, and UV before they enter the room. But it will not fix a hot attic, roof, or air leaks. For a hot room, buy heat control film. Do not buy privacy film just because it looks dark. How much for one window? Here is a simple US example. A standard window is 3 feet wide and 5 feet tall. That is 15 square feet. One common DIY heat control film roll is 3 feet by 6.5 feet. It covers 19.5 square feet. At the time of this video, that roll costs about $45. Add a basic application kit, and your first window costs about $60 before tax. US example, prices checked July 2026. If you already have the tools, you may only need the film. Can you do it yourself? Yes, when the window is small, flat, and easy to reach. Most DIY film goes on the room side of the glass. Follow the instructions for that exact product. For big windows, skylights, high windows, or expensive double pane glass, hire a professional. And clean the glass carefully. One speck of dust can leave a bubble you will see every day. How long does it last? For basic DIY film, use the warranty as your safe number. This example has a 2-year warranty. A professional option may come with a longer warranty, but check the written warranty for your exact film and your exact glass. So, is it worth it? Yes, when direct sun through one window is the problem. Plan on about $60 for your first DIY setup. Choose heat control film. Check the warranty. And do not expect film to fix heat coming from somewhere else. Right window, right film, real results. Subscribe to the Cool Home Lab. Cooler homes, lower bills, no nonsense.